Every star you see in the night sky has a story. Some stars are smaller than Earth. Others are so enormous they could swallow the orbit of Jupiter. Some shine blue, some glow red, while others have already died but continue to shape the universe. In this video, we'll explore 20 incredible types of stars. Protostar. Every star begins as a protostar. A giant cloud of gas and dust collapses under gravity, heating up until a newborn star begins to form. Tauri Star. Tauri stars are extremely young stars that haven't started stable hydrogen fusion yet. They are surrounded by swirling disks where future planets may form. Red Dwarf. Red dwarfs are the smallest and most common stars in the universe. Although they're tiny, they burn fuel so slowly that some could survive for trillions of years, far longer than the current age of the universe. Yellow Dwarf. Our Sun is a yellow dwarf. These stars provide stable energy for billions of years, making them ideal hosts for life-bearing planets. Orange Dwarf. Orange dwarfs are slightly cooler than the Sun, but more stable over long periods. Many astronomers believe they may be among the best stars for supporting life. Blue Dwarf. Blue dwarfs have never been observed. Scientists predict that extremely old red dwarfs may eventually become hotter blue dwarfs after trillions of years. White giants are hotter than our Sun and shine brilliantly across space. Although uncommon, they represent a short transitional stage in stellar evolution. Red giant. When stars like the Sun run out of hydrogen, they expand into red giants. Billions of years from now, our own Sun will likely grow large enough to engulf Mercury and Venus. Blue supergiant. Blue supergiants are among the hottest and brightest stars known. They can shine hundreds of thousands of times brighter than the Sun. Red supergiant. These enormous stars are nearing the ends of their lives. The famous Betelgeuse is a red supergiant so large that if placed at the center of our solar system, it would extend beyond Mars. Hypergiants are among the largest stars ever discovered. They lose enormous amounts of material every year through powerful stellar winds. Wolf-Rayet Star. Wolf-Rayet stars have blown away much of their outer layers. Their fierce stellar winds travel at millions of kilometers per hour. Variable stars regularly change their brightness. Some expand and contract rhythmically, helping astronomers measure vast distances across the universe. Binary star. Not every star lives alone. Binary stars orbit each other around a shared center of gravity. Over half of all stars are thought to belong to multiple star systems. Neutron Star. When a massive star explodes, its core may collapse into a neutron star. A teaspoon of neutron star material would weigh about 1 billion tons on Earth. Pulsar. A pulsar is a rapidly spinning neutron star. Its beams of radiation sweep across space like the light from a lighthouse. Some rotate hundreds of times every second. Magnetars possess the strongest magnetic fields known in the universe. Their magnetic fields are trillions of times stronger than Earth's. White Dwarf. After stars like the Sun exhaust their fuel, they become white dwarfs. These stellar remnants slowly cool for billions of years. Although similar in size to Earth, they contain about the same mass as the Sun. Black Dwarf. The final stage of stars like our Sun is expected to be the black dwarf. These objects have never been observed because the universe isn't old enough for any white dwarf to cool that much. When they eventually appear, they will be cold, dark remnants of ancient stars. Stars are far more diverse than tiny lights in the night sky. From newborn protostars to mysterious magnetars and the theoretical black dwarfs of the distant future, every type of star helps us understand the life cycle of the universe. Which star amazed you the most? Tell us in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fascinating science and space videos.